Hey y'all, today's dish is pan-seared red snapper on a bed of rice and asparagus. Here I soak, clean, and skin the fish. And here are all the seasons that I use to season the red snapper. So I mixed all the seasons together and I season each side of the fillets. Here I add garlic and rosemary to heated olive oil. Let that sit for about an hour. Then I add olive oil to a cast iron skillet so I can go ahead and pan sear the red snapper. I take the olive oil mixture and I drizzle it on top of the red snapper as I sear it. And I go back and add some of the seasonings that I put on there before because I didn't know it was so hard for red snapper to absorb seasonings, but here's the outcome. So now let's get to the sides. I'm going to make a chicken flavored jasmine rice. I take chicken base paste, olive oil, mix it up, put it in the microwave, let it heat up for about 45 seconds, add a little rosemary to it, and I drizzle that over the rice, add pink Himalayan salt. Now we're going to do some asparagus. I wash them up, lube them up real good with olive oil, sprinkle pink Himalayan salt on there, black pepper, and balsamic vinaigrette. Cook them in the air fryer for no more than 3 minutes. So let's get to the sauce. So right here I use vegan mayo, ranch seasoning, capers, dill, and apple cider vinegar. I mix that up very well, and that is a perfect complement to pan-seared red snapper topped with capers, asparagus on a bed of jasmine chicken flavored rice. For more, follow me on my Facebook and Instagram page and go to my YouTube channel and subscribe.